Alright, folks. This may be the last video in a little while, because I am sending my SENA 10C Pro back to where it came from for an exchange. So we'll see how long that takes. Of course, you guys may not even know this, because this video may never get uploaded because it may not be working. And that's the problem. Anyway, off we go on another daring adventure through Los Angeles traffic, which is always crazy. Come on, lady. Sometimes it's crazier than others. But we do have a lot of really poor drivers here, and that affects just about every aspect of my commute. Unfortunately, this is one of those few places where I can't really lane split because it's too tight. But it's fine. As soon as I hit normal streets, I can lane split and I don't have to sit behind all these fools. Oh, we got a nice M4 in front of us. Had something similar a few years ago. They are extremely good cars. But needless to say, they are not cheap. Kind of knew that guy was going to cut in front of me. You can almost always tell. Now we got someone stopped here in the red zone. That apparently is a very difficult concept for many people in LA, but red zones means no stopping, no parking, nothing really. So yes, if you're one of those people, red not only means do not go, as in right here, red zones do also mean no parking, no stopping, no nothing. In fact, you might be able to get a ticket from that, even in an emergency. But I don't think anyone would write that ticket, but still, I think that's technically possible, so don't do it. Don't stop. Don't park. Just learn how to drive. Just like the person we have behind us, he decided to go straight in a right turn only lane. These are the sort of idiots we have to deal with in LA all the time. You probably do wherever you are too. Yeah. Good times, eh? There we go. And one of those buzzes. They're always around. Another little Lamborghini on Louisiana plates. That's uncommon. Usually California, Florida, or Montana for some reason. Let's see here. So we can get a little space at some point to actually get through this bus obstacle. Busticle. Now we're in front of it, but then we have these idiots. That's fine. Once things starts moving, I'll be able to get right past them anyways. So, no biggie, folks. No biggie. And see, when they see you, they give you room. Got a lot of bigger vehicles today. It's a little unusual. If you stop, I can get through. Look at this idiot. Yep, that's what we deal with here. Got a little excursion over there. Maybe tourists? It's possible. And someone with a sign that says 54. I wonder what auctions he's bidding on here on Santa Monica Boulevard. But this is Beverly Hills, so there's probably some auction somewhere. Bid on something silly and overpriced. Rolls Royce. The new Rolls Royce SUV. The least elegant Rolls ever created. But, of course, it is the size of a tank. And to some people, that's all that matters. Get out of my way, fool. Oh, that's nice of him. See, people do move. You know, it's good to see. I guess it just goes to show that despite all these dumbasses in LA, most people are good by heart, I guess, by nature. That's how we're built. Some people just choose to, be the opposite. And that's a shame, because we all have to deal with those people, and it doesn't take too many of them to really ruin your day. Or in this case, LA traffic. Alright, I gotta make a left turn at some point. I'm not sure where I should move over. I'll do it here. Go out on this little thing, which is kind of sort of legal. It's a brisk day today, at least for LA. Currently looking at 55 degrees. It's, many other places of the world would laugh at me for calling that brisk, but whee! I think that's all I got for you guys today. I'm out. It's been another MotoCommute, and you guys have fun. And here's the thumbs up, and we're out.